We've had some doctors' analogies before on this podcast, haven't we?
Yeah, and there's, funnily enough, there's another one we were talking about the other day, weren't we? So
Yes.
years and years ago, I was in front of a judge, and he was talking. The judge was chatting to us, and he was talking about questioning of witnesses. And sometimes it can be very easy to, when you've got a witness in the witness box, and particularly with evidence in chief, ask the wrong question. Either accidentally lead, in which case which you shouldn't be doing, or you may elicit a piece of information from a client that you shouldn't do. For example, might be you ask a question, client gives an indication that they're of good character when they're not, in which case you open the floodgates to bad character evidence. For example, I always remember a judge saying that, and he, funnily enough, received the same information from a judge many decades ago as well. So this is a piece of information being passed down, and he said that words to a barrister are like operating equipment to a surgeon. He says if you use the wrong word in a question, it can be fatal. If a surgeon were to use the wrong piece of equipment, if the surgeon were to use a blade when it should be a scalpel, it could have fatal consequences.
It's not what you want.
No, not what you want. So it's a really good piece of advice about how words are absolutely critical, and you need to be very, very careful when choosing your words, particularly when asking questions of witnesses in court.